Hey guys, today I found somebody doing something really weird with a pogo stick, and I figured I would look it up on YouTube, and I found a video. By the way, credit to Lena Plays Games, which is right here. I'll link her channel down below. But I watched her video, and I learned that you take out a kangaroo pogo stick, and what you're going to do is going to dress up, body, switch to a random body, and then you're going to switch to this one with the 9 tails. And then it's going to grow like longer legs, and if you keep doing it, it'll keep getting longer and longer until it's like touching the sky. As you can see, that it is huge now. But right now, this is not a patched glitch. You can do this currently, and it's this big that I can't even fit it all on my camera, which is not good. But yeah, bye.